If you want to manage your vehicle garage or vehicle shop easily, then you definitely need garage management system software. Yes, dear viewer, I will teach you in this video how to build professional garage management system software. I will share with you the best quality premium source code to build the best management system software. You can easily create professional vehicle garage management system software using this source code. Now I will discuss with you what features and functionality you will get in this software if you develop vehicle garage system software through this source code. You get the most powerful admin channel to manage this garage management system software. You can control all these features and functionalities of this software through the admin panel. Also, your website has specific account dashboard panel for customers. Your website customers can easily manage their accounts using these account features sections. Your website has specific account panels for employees. Employers can easily manage their account using these feature sections. Also, your website has a dedicated account panel for support staff. Using the features of this account panel, the support staff can easily help the customers of the website. You can add an accounting manager for accounting transactions on your website, as there is a dedicated account panel for adding accounting managers. Your website account managers can easily manage all types of website transactions using these features. So let us now learn how to create a professional garage management system software. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create garage management system website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish garage management system website online. You can purchase high quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we will go to our source code folder. Then we will upload the zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we have to do the purchase verification. For this we have to submit the purchase information here. Then we have to submit the database information here. That's why now we will learn how to create database in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect hosting panel database information to website. For this you have to follow this video completely. Then we have to submit the website system information here. Now we have to submit the website login information. Then we will click on Install Now button. Wow, we have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is fully ready. Now we can manage our garage management system website by logging into the admin panel. You can easily manage the garage management system software step by step using these features and functionality sections of the admin panel. Or if you don't understand anything about the admin panel or have any problem in managing the website, then definitely contact us. We will help you how to manage the website. So buy the source code without delay and build a professional garage management system software. I will definitely help you. Many thanks to them for watching the full video. If you want to watch our next videos, please subscribe the channel.